Hi, I'm Julian Thomason, Panhellenic President.
And I'm Trey Trousdale, and I'm the Interfraternity Council President here at Oklahoma City University.
We have 4 nationally recognized sororities: Alpha Chi Omega, Alpha Phi, Gamma Phi Beta, and Phi Mu.
We also have 3 nationally recognized fraternities. They are Phi Gamma Delta, Kappa Sigma, and Lambda Chi Alpha.
Did you know that Fraternity and Sorority Life is the largest student organization on campus?
And each Greek organization partners with the philanthropy, donating hundreds of hours of service to those in need.
We embrace the common core values of sisterhood,
Brotherhood,
scholarship,
leadership,
and service.
Now, take a look at what each of our chapters have to offer.
Hi, welcome to Alpha Chi Omega, a sisterhood full of real, strong women. Our members are dedicated to our mission of friendship, leadership, learning, and service. They excel in the classroom and in giving back to our community.
Our biggest project is supporting our national philanthropy, domestic violence awareness. We do so by donating to the YWCA of Oklahoma City.
We can't wait to see you back on campus this fall.
In Alpha Phi, we share the values of sisterhood, scholarship, service, leadership, loyalty, and character development.
Alpha Phi's philanthropy raises awareness and funds research for heart disease, which is the #1 killer of women. Alpha Phi brings a group of diverse, extraordinary women together to support each other and encourage each other to be the best versions of ourselves.
We can't wait to see you next fall and show you how extraordinary it is to be an Alpha Phi.
Gamma Phi Beta was founded in 1874 on the 4 core values of love, labor, learning, and loyalty. Our mission is to inspire the highest type of womanhood, and our philanthropic platform is Building Strong Girls.
We promote this with our national partner, Girls on the Run, which is a transformational program for girls ages 8 to 13.
We are a group of women that aspires to empower and educate young girls so that they can become strong, confident women of character.
We are so happy that you've chosen OCU as your home, and we are so excited to see you in the fall.
Since 1852, Phi Mu has provided women with personal and academic development, as well as service to others, including our national philanthropy, Children's Miracle Network hospitals, commitment to excellence, and lifelong friendships. We encourage our women to be vibrant leaders on and off of campus.
Phi Mu has truly helped me to find my home away from home. My sisters are my biggest support system and biggest cheerleaders, and I know these women will be in my life forever. We are so excited to welcome all the new faces interested in Greek life on campus in the fall.
Hi there, we're Phi Gamma Delta here at Oklahoma City University. Our organization was founded on 5 values: friendship, knowledge, service, morality, and excellence.
We have a wide variety of majors, from the School of Theater to the School of Music to the School of Business, and we hold an average GPA of 3.46, which is higher than the men's average on campus.
Here at Fiji, we support the United Service Organization and the Oklahoma Humane Society, and last semester alone, we put in over 200 hours of community service. We hope to see you guys next semester.
Hi, we are the gentlemen of Kappa Sigma.
Here at Kappa Sigma, our 4 pillars are fellowship, leadership, scholarship, and service.
Not only are we dedicated to the enrichment of your college experience, but also preparing you for life after college.
Kappa Sigma is not for a day, or an hour, or a college term only, but for life. We're looking forward to meeting you this fall.
We're the brothers of Lambda Chi Alpha, and I joined because it's really a home away from home. It can be tough moving away from home for the first time. You're on your own, and here you're not on your own. You're with your brothers.
And I joined because of the true sense of brotherhood. Being able to grow with others has been so great and so enjoyable this year.
I joined because I think I was able to find home at this house, and also the great values that we have, plus our philanthropy, which is Feeding America, that goes close to my heart. So yes, that's why I joined Lambda Chi Alpha.
Come join us during formal recruitment for life, liberty, and the pursuit of sisterhood
And brotherhood. Thanks for watching.